Assalamualaikum and welcome foodies. I'm Amna from Flavor Tin and I bring today for you a special diet recipe, eggplant casserole. It tastes just like regular lasagna but is low in carb and high in protein. So all diabetic people or people on diets such as keto or bending can enjoy its big servings guilt-free. Even kids who don't like eggplant eat this cheesy goodness super happily. So let's jump to the recipe. Let me show you how to do it. First step to our dish is preparation of eggplants for first layer. It's a layered dish, so we prepare layers step by step. I have taken here 2 big eggplants and I'm gonna cut them in rounds. You can cut them lengthwise as well, depends on your choice. You can also use mandolin for easy cutting, it's up to you. Now transfer them to a bowl and sprinkle salt. Few good pinches. Eggplants are slightly bitter, so this salt will not only cut its bitterness but would also prevent eggplants to turn black. They have a tendency to oxidize quickly when come into contact with air, just like apple. So in order to prevent that, use salt or cut them in cold water. It's a great tip to retain the color of the eggplant. But here we cannot use water because we have to grill them later, and grill marks will not appear nicely if we soak them in water. So wash them before, pat them dry and then cut and sprinkle salt. Next, take a grill pan or you can simply use frying pan also. Drizzle with olive oil and heat up to sizzling point. Spread oil all over the pan. And when it is smoking hot, then add eggplant so that we have nice grill marks on them. Now do not move or turn before a minute. Drizzle oil on the top side as well. I'm using oil in the pan also, so they are coated well with oil, because fat absorbs bitterness of eggplant and give it a soft, silky and rich texture. Sneak after a minute. If you see grill marks, then turn. Otherwise, carefully put them back again. Now turn. See how beautiful marks they have now. Cook the other side also, just like before. Do not move, do not turn for a minute and then take it off the heat. Likewise, grill all other pieces and put them aside. Now let's move to the next step, that is making of tomato sauce for second layer. You can also use ready-made pizza sauce if you are in a hurry, but here I'm gonna show you how to make it. And it's really super easy and very simple to make. Put around 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 1 small diced onion and fry at medium heat until it becomes translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I have also added a link to the recipe of this paste in the description box. Do check it out if you are wondering how to make it. Do not cook after adding ginger paste and quickly add tomatoes. I am using 500 grams of tomato pulp, ready to use packed one, but you can also use fresh tomatoes. Just grind 4 to 5 tomatoes and pop them in. Keep cooking for 2 or 3 minutes until water dries up a little bit and sauce thickens. Let's season it now. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, which is a mixture of thyme, oregano and rosemary and few other herbs. Give it a mix. Let it bubble for another 1 or 2 minutes and take off the heat. Now before moving to our creamy cheese sauce, let's chop some garnishes. Take 3 to 4 stalks of spring onion, chop and put aside. I'm taking only green part. Then take a bunch of parsley and nicely chop it. Likewise, some coriander. Let's make now delicious creamy cheesy sauce. Take around 400 grams of Bulgarian or feta or cottage cheese and mash it into small pieces. Add half cup of heavy whipping cream, half teaspoon of black pepper and same amount of Italian herbs. I'm not adding salt here as cheese already has salt in it, so no need for salt. Now at this stage, if you feel that your mixture is still thick, then add little bit more, around 1/4 or half cup of cream. Depends on the consistency of the mixture. It should have spreading consistency like this. Let's start now assembling all these delicious layers. Take a 9 by 13 inches wide casserole dish, which is of course should be heat proof. Arrange grilled eggplants first, then top them with tomato sauce which we have made earlier. Spread all sides evenly, like so. And with the help of a spatula, spread till edges. Sprinkle those garnishes. Next, pour cream cheese mixture. Such lovely colors and flavors combined together. So tempting. Then add grated mozzarella cheese as much as you want. Now let's repeat layering in the same way one more time. Eggplants, then tomatoes, and then cheese. It's such a clever way to hide eggplants in tomatoes and cheese and make kids go nuts for it. Calcium coming from this cheese and cream, potassium and fiber from eggplants. All these nutrients are very beneficial for their growth and health. So apart from baking regular carby lasagna, you should also try this healthier version too. It not only looks like lasagna but also tastes like it. Last but not the least, I am shredding some Parmesan cheese on the top to bring out more exotic aroma and flavor. Sprinkle some black olives to give it a lasagna look and bake this in preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until inside sauce starts bubbling out, means it's ready to take out. Serve it warm because when cheese cools down, it will become thick. You can serve it either as a main dish or as a side dish with proteins and fresh salad. Either way, it's delicious. Look at this cheesy goodness. Absolutely mouth-watering. Who says diabetic people or Weight Watchers always have to eat boring dishes? So do give it a try, enjoy with your family and friends because it has only 4 gram net carbs, 13 gram proteins, and is packed with loads of wonderful flavors and many other nutrients. So that's all for today, and I'm gonna see you again next week with another flavorful recipe. Take care. Bye bye.